Good morning students. Welcome to the virtual class of Bharat Education Society's Kartika High School and Junior College, Kurla West. Lesson number 4 starting with Excel 2007 Part 2 for subject Computer Standard 6th. Now students, let's begin with the screen of Microsoft Office Excel 2007. At the top left corner you have this office button, along with you have this quick access toolbar on the title bar. Below to that students, you have this ribbon. On the ribbon you have several tabs. Example, home tab, insert tab, page layout tab, formulas, data, review and view. And each tab has several groups and group options. Below to that you have a name box. In that name box a selected cell address of a selected cell appears. Beside to it you have a formula bar. In that formula bar you can enter formula for calculation. In actual working area we have column headers and row headers. Column headers are vertical and row headers are horizontal. A, B, C, D. Column headers are alphabetical and row headers are numbers. Below to the screen we have worksheet navigation. We can move on any worksheet by clicking on this previous, next, first and last button. Along with you have worksheets, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Below to that you have a status bar, and along with the status bar you have tab page view. On the left and right hand side corner you have scroll bars, horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar. Students, this is what about the Microsoft Office Excel screen 2007. Let's begin with the every aspect of Microsoft Office Excel screen 2007. Let us see first of all Office button. The Office button is the round icon at the top left hand corner. It includes the basic file functions such as new, open, save and print. Then quick access toolbar. It is placed on the left hand side of a title bar. It consists of frequently used commands and tools such as save, undo, redo and chart quick styles. Ribbon. The ribbon is located below the quick access toolbar. It contains several tabs and each tab contains several command buttons used for performing a specific task. Each tab is identified with specific name like home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, etc. Some important terms used in Excel are galleries, preview and workbook. Let's see galleries first. Galleries make it easier for making formatting changes to the Excel sheets. For example, inserting chart provides a wide choice of charts to select from. In Excel, there are different galleries for charts, shapes, word art, colors, fonts, effects, etc. Preview. Live preview allows you to preview what a given gallery command will do to your Excel sheet without actually changing it. Workbook. An Excel document is called a workbook. A workbook has multiple pages called sheets that are called worksheets. Worksheet. A worksheet represents the working area on the screen. It is the area where the data is entered and the calculations are performed. It is divided into rows and columns. Initially, there are 3 worksheets available, but you can insert more worksheets using Insert Worksheet button. You can change worksheet name by double-clicking on the sheet button. You can use navigation buttons to navigate from one worksheet to another. Vertical and horizontal scroll bars are used to move within the worksheet. Rows and columns. A worksheet of Excel 2007 is a huge worksheet and it's made up of millions of rows and thousands of columns. The rows are numbered from top to bottom. They are numbered 1, 2, 3 to 10,48,576. These are called row headers. The columns are labeled from left to right and are named A, B to XFD. These are called column headers. The last column of the worksheet is XFD, the 16,000th column. Cell. The insertion or crossing of a column and a row is called a cell. For example, the cell A4 is the insertion of column A and row 4. Active cell. A cell pointer indicates that a particular cell is active to accept the data. It is cell boundary that is highlighted by rectangular box. Cell address. The cell address corresponds to the column name and row name. Each cell has unique cell address. For example, B3, A10, C7. Status bar. The status bar is at the bottom of the workbook window and displays the status of the worksheet. It displays different view options like normal, page layout and page break view. At the right hand side, as well, zoom slider to zoom in or out of a page. In left hand side, it displays cell condition ready, enter or edit. Formula bar. The formula bar is located above the work area of the spreadsheet. The formula bar displays the data or formula stored in the active cell. The formula bar can be used to enter or edit a formula, a function or data in a cell. Types of data. In an Excel worksheet, we can enter 3 types of data: numbers, text and formulas. That's all for the session, students. We'll meet in the next video soon. Till then, goodbye. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.